artist, I'm Mariana Olsen, and today we're drawing a UFO. Are you ready? Let's do this! Okay, we're gonna need paper, something to color with. I'm using markers, and something to draw with. I will use a black marker that you can change for a pencil. We're gonna start folding the paper in half. Then we're gonna take the bottom part and fold in half again. Now we're gonna flip it over and fold one more time. And then we're gonna open it, you're gonna flip it, and we're gonna start drawing right here. Hello little artists, today we're drawing a UFO or an alien ship. This is a theme that is very trendy right now, and I just wanna do something fun for you, so I hope you like this lesson. And I'm using my paper in this way. So let's start on the top part. We're gonna do first an oval shape, and this oval shape is gonna be the base of the disc. And so you can take your time, just go slow with this oval shape so we can do it good and round. Next, we're gonna do another oval shape inside, and this oval shape is gonna be really close to the bottom part without touching it, okay? We're gonna leave a little bit of a space here. And now we're gonna do two more curves inside on the corners. Here is one, and I'm making another one, two, okay? And this is just gonna give a little bit of perspective there. And on the top part, we're gonna do a small oval shape that goes from side to side like this, okay? Now, this is the alien shape. Now we're gonna draw down here a couple flowers and some leaves. So we're gonna start doing leaves by doing curves like letter U's, upside down letter U's. And we're gonna go doing this. And it's just upside down letter U's all together. Another type of plant we can do is like long, pointy leaves like this. And we can do different sizes. Like this. And the last thing we can do is a little or a couple flowers. So I'm gonna do a line, and then I'm gonna leave a space. I'm gonna do a circle, and around the circle I'm gonna do letter U's. They go all together. Okay, and for this we can do a double line and probably a long leaf. And the last little shape we're gonna do is a line. And on the top, we're gonna do kind of like a curve and 1, 2, 3 curves, okay? So this is my 4 basic plants. I'm gonna keep doing these repeatedly here. This part is gonna go way faster, but remember that you can stop the video until you finish this part. Okay, I'm gonna leave mine like this, and now it's time to open the paper. And here in the middle, we're gonna draw whatever you want this alien shape to take. I'm gonna draw a little cow, but you can change this for something that you find funny. So for my cow, I'm gonna start here. Underneath the folding part, we're gonna do a curve like this. And then we're gonna do 1 and 2 curves on the bottom. And here I'm gonna do an oval shape and a little oval shape, okay? So that's the mouth of my cow. Now let's do the head, and the head is gonna cross the folding part and it's gonna go down in a curve. It's gonna look like this. I'm gonna do a half a circle on top of the shape I just did, and then I'm gonna go around and closed. Now let's do the little eyes. I'm gonna do 2 oval shapes, and the oval shapes are underneath the folding part. I'm just gonna put it right here. I'm gonna do 2 little eyebrows. They're over the folding part and they're pointing up a little. So that's gonna make look the cow a little bit scared or worried. I'm gonna do a couple shapes here that we're gonna fill with black, so my cow looks a little bit more like it. There. I'm gonna put a little bit of hair on the top of the hair head. So we're gonna do 1, 2, and 3 letter U's. And to the side, we're gonna do the ears by doing a line and a curve. Here, we're gonna do a line and a curve. Okay. Next, we're gonna do the body, and underneath the chin, we're gonna do a curve. And then here we're gonna do a square for the leg. On the other side, I'm gonna do a bigger curve. And then a square for the leg. And these squares are little. Remember, this is a cartoon character. We're gonna fill with black on the bottom. And then we're gonna just trace a curved line here. Next, I'm gonna do another leg here, the same, kind of like a square and black on the bottom. And the other one is pointing back like this and black on the bottom. Now, one more detail that we're gonna put on our cow is the tail, and the tail is gonna be pointing up because she's being lifted. And we're gonna do the tail kind of like a leaf shape. And we're gonna put 1 and 2 lines inside. Now, to make it look more like a cow, we're gonna do more shapes like this. And these are and these you can use your imagination to do as many as you want, or you can stop the video when I finish this so you can copy the same shapes. I'm coloring also the top of the ears, so just to make it look a little bit more like the cow. And I'm coloring kind of like the top of the ear on top of the folding part, and the bottom of the folding part I'm leaving in white. And there, that's it. We finished this cow that is gonna be taken by an alien shape. You need to wait until the end of the video so you can see what I'm doing with the color on the background. Now let's check how it looks when we close it. And this is how it looks when we open. And now my favorite part is coming. Let's color. Okay, little artists, we are done. This is how my picture turned out with the colors and some decoration here on the bottom. I add some dark green on the background just to give her a little bit more like foliage and to make it look like more plants in the background. Now let's check how it looks in the inside. And here is my cow that is flying on the air. Remember, you can change this character for something else. I add this yellow light beam here, and at the end I color with this color pencil. I went even over the cow and I even over this part really light, so when we close the paper we can steal some of the yellow here on the bottom. So I hope you like this lesson and I hope you find this funny. And remember, if you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel so you don't miss lessons step by step like this one. See you next time.